Hello guys, welcome to my video. My name's Abhiyan. I'm a medical student studying in London. Today I'll be going through my morning routine. So as you can see, I wake up at around 6:30 AM. Today is very unusually early for me because I have to go in quite early. I struggle getting out of bed, and after a few moments of contemplating my life, I finally decide to get up. I make my way over to the bathroom, and then I splash some cold water on my face to just freshen and wake myself up. I then do the usual, such as brushing my teeth and emptying. Let's not go there. And I also shave today because I feel like my beard is getting a bit too long today. First I use the rotary shaver, followed by the blade, just to get a smooth, clean finish. I'm on pediatrics at the moment, so obviously don't want to scare the kids with my messy beard. I mean, I'm going to be wearing a mask anyway, but after that I just wipe my face, give it a quick little smooth down, whatever that is, and then I move on to my daily meditation. Right now I'm using the meditation app called Waking Up by Sam Harris, and it's pretty peaceful. It's quite unusual, makes me do very unusual things like looking at my visual field and whatnot, but I find it interesting, so I do that for 10 minutes. After this I make my way over to the kitchen where I'll start preparing breakfast. So first I'm just going to boil some water and make a nice cup of tea. The tea leaves I'm using is Assam tea, so it tastes a bit like karak chai, not fully there, but it does have some nice spicy flavour to it, so I like that tea. Now I'm just going to make myself a nice cooked breakfast, so I'm going to get a pan and put it on high heat, put some oil, and now I've got these lovely sausages. They're chicken sausages and they're already cooked, but I just like to give it a heat in the pan just to make it nice and crispy. While that's cooking, I'll go over and put my toast in the toaster. I'm having brown toast, which are seeded and fruity at the moment. So once my sausages are done, I'll also scramble 2 eggs. And then by that time my toast will also be done, so I'll go ahead and butter up my toast. And there you go, a nice easy breakfast ready in the morning to fuel me up. Now I'll take this back to my desk and have a look at the time to decide how long I have to gobble this all down. Once I've finished eating, today I've got an online lecture in pediatric emergencies, so I just sit through that before it's time for me to make my way into the hospital. So I'll get ready, I'll get changed, I'll pack my bags, drop in the essentials like my iPad, my packed lunch. I've already made a meal prep video, so check that out if you haven't already. And of course, need to stay hydrated, so I'll also get myself a bottle of water. Then I'll start getting dressed, getting ready to go over into the hospital. Right now I'm on my pediatrics placement at Great Ormond Street Hospital. I also have a night shift video coming up where I've vlogged my night shift, so if you're interested in that, then subscribe to stay tuned for the upcoming video. So once I'm done, I just give myself a quick look in the mirror, make sure nothing's looking too bad. Then I'll put on my shoes, put on my coat and my bag, and I'll make my way over to the hospital. So this has been a quick short video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new, consider subscribing and sign up to my weekly newsletter Swift Sunday, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.